everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix in your Tesla. So you can do this two different ways. You can do it through the web browser, or you can just go to Theater right here. So you can just tap Theater, and I have it open down here, and then you got Netflix, and you can tap it, it will open up the entire screen. So you can sign in the top right here, and then you can scroll on down to dismiss it, and you got Hulu, Twitch, TikTok, etc. down there at the bottom. So you can also do this through the web browser, and you can just go to netflix.com, press enter, and it'll open up the full screen application too. And then we can just scroll down to dismiss. So you got to do this when you're on premium connectivity or Wi-Fi. Right here I'm at home, you can see. Sometimes you might see your wife throwing out trash or something like that when you're hanging out in your car. So just connect right here, and then go to Netflix. So we got to go back to Theater. You can drag it down here if you want, recent apps. But yeah, that's fine. I'll just go to recent apps and open it up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.